I was given the opportunity to come in and join this program, and it's literally changed my life. I suddenly had access to machinery that I never thought we could operate on, and it really helped our business grow. We went from this idea of making products to being able to mass manufacture them to the highest degree on the most advanced CNC that AM has to offer. We had a lot of ups, we had a lot of downs, but most of all, this incubation program taught us the fundamentals of how to start up a business, run, and learn. When I say it's fast, guys, it's fast. There's a lot of learning to this, but don't be scared of buying CNC machines. It's going to change the way that you do business. If you're a kitchen cabinet guy, or you in construction, or this thing is going to look after you. It looked after our business and gave us the head start that we needed. And it's time for me to step away from this incubation program. However, I want to introduce you to someone who I believe is going to go beyond what we have done in this incubation program. And I want to introduce you to a young guy called Bruce. He is going to do some magic into the market, and I hope you support him as much as you have supported me.
My name is Bruce Mukiti, and I have completed my Bachelor of Arts in Industrial Design at the University of Johannesburg in 2025. My background combines product design, CAD modeling, prototype, and sustainable design practices. Throughout my studies, I have developed expertise in SolidWorks and Fusion 360, enabling me to transform concept into functional, user-centered, and manufacturable products. I am passionate about creating innovative solutions that addresses real-world challenges through research, design thinking, and practical problem solving. And now, under their incubation program, AM.CO.za has given me an opportunity to use their machinery to help me transform my concept into functional, user-centered products. And actually, I have already completed my first prototype on the CNC machine under Garrett's guidance. And now, the material has just arrived for the real deal. So, keep watching this channel. I'm gonna be producing some amazing stuff.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines, we fix machines, we teach machines, and we feed everyone in the process, just for you.